SWOT analysis isn't just for looking inward, it's also a powerful tool for analyzing your competitors. In this video, we'll show you how to create a competitive SWOT, a structured way to assess the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats facing another company in your space so you can sharpen your own strategy. Start with your competitors' strengths. What do they do exceptionally well? Maybe it's brand recognition, product design, customer service, pricing power, or access to exclusive partnerships. Strengths often show up in reviews, market share, investor confidence, or customer loyalty. Look at what gives them a competitive edge and where they consistently win. Then look at their weaknesses. These might be less obvious, but they're just as critical. Look for poor customer reviews, high employee turnover, clunky technology, a limited product range, or recent PR issues. Read what customers and employees are saying online. Check forums, Glassdoor, and comparison reviews. Weaknesses show you where competitors are vulnerable and where you might differentiate. Next, explore their opportunities. What external trends could benefit them? Are they expanding into a new region, launching new features, building new partnerships? Understanding their growth playbook can help you anticipate their next moves and either get ahead of them or decide where you won't compete. And finally, consider their threats. Are they overly reliant on a single supplier or product? Are market trends shifting away from their model? Are new competitors or regulations targeting their niche? Knowing what could destabilize them helps you understand where to press or where to avoid risk. Here's where it gets strategic. Once you've mapped your competitor's SWOT, compare it to your own. Where do you overlap? Where are you clearly differentiated? Where are you stronger? And where are you at risk? You can also use competitive SWOT to plan positioning. If your competitor's weakness is poor onboarding, make yours frictionless. If their threat is rising costs, emphasize your efficiency. Use their blind spots as your launch pads. Competitive SWOT is especially useful during product launches, market entry, fundraising, or M&A analysis. It helps you show investors or stakeholders that you've done your homework and that your positioning is intentional, not accidental. Just remember, SWOT isn't about attacking, it's about understanding. A great strategy doesn't just chase the competition, it learns from them and carves a smarter path.